Load secure. Let's.
Proceeding with inspection. Entry badge scanned. Clearance granted. Verified. Gate open. Proceed through. Thank you.
The inventory is checked. Let's prep PAT-01 for the batch. Stop the conveyor.
System check complete. Zero contamination detected.
Initiating wash cycle.
Precision readiness confirmed.
Batch complete.
Temperature is good. We're ready for the next batch.
Cap production complete. Ready for filling and capping. Excellent. The throughput is steady at 3,000.
Keep them moving to the right. Checking flow. 20.
Labeling complete. The journey of Vatika Olive Enriched Hair Oil concludes here, to your home. Before using Vatika, your hair is dry and frizzy. Use Vatika Olive Enriched Oil. Introducing Vatika Naturals, the essence of olive to nourish and protect.